Hello, sir. These are the spring bushings. Go inside the spring, main spring. In the plans, they're going to tell you to take a 3-inch washer and a piece of pipe. You're going to put it in there, weld all the way around. You're going to flip it over. You're going to weld the bottom. You're going to flip it back over, put a piece of 1.25-inch pipe over it, weld it 3 places, put a cap on it, and weld that around. And there is nothing wrong with that. Works great. It's just several little parts that you have to get and weld. Since if you're a welder, you probably aren't going to mind that too bad. Just for us, it's easier. We just have these machined. These guys goes in there, and that's our version. We call it the top hat spring bushing. It goes in a set of them, and I just wanted to show them to you. I doubt you'd be interested in. So if you're a welder, you'll just weld those up, but those sell for $70 for a set. Main spring here. This is the beginnings of a crank plate. This is the 6-inch Schedule 40 pipe that you build, cut 3 inches long, and this is a water jet. I call it the circle plate. It's water jet and set so that it's, nice and precise. Fits real tight on a Dexter hub so that it makes it hub centric. And I've just got this one welded up to start to make some crank plates. Going to be making about 4 of those coming up here shortly, and I'm going to pause this video, go to the back, and show you some stuff back there. I have UHMW. This is 1/4 inch thick. When I machine the rams from solid steel, they start out as 4-inch, and they're usually a little over 4-inch, but I machine them down to 3.9 when I get done. And so 1/4 inch works really good instead of 3/16. UHMW, I have a lot of both, 3/16 or 1/4 inch if you wanted some UHMW. These are some of the rams, the solid rams that are machined. These just came out. They haven't been drilled and tapped yet. They just kind of come off the mill. That right there's how they start raw, and there they are off the mill. Going to pause again. This is a tire hammer that we almost have finished. We'll finish it up tomorrow. It goes out. The purchaser's going to pick it up Saturday. We have 4 more to build in the next couple of weeks, and we turn these out pretty regular. There's the 8-inch anvil. The little pedestal jig that you have to make holds the ram up there in place. It's suspended here in midair. Then you fit the guide tube around, put your UHMW, and then you back build this so that it's perfectly positioned. And that one's all done. This is the new style crank plate, all bolted up and ready to go. No more. It used to, we'd weld a 1/4 inch circle, 1/4 inch steel circle all the way around there, and then once you've done that, you can't hardly take your tire off ever or maintenance the bearings. And anyway, this is a lot better system. Down here, I've changed the lower guide stop. No longer weld the plates on. It's a pain in the butt to get the UHMW and the shims out from the top once all the arms are on. So with this, you just simply take off 4 1/4 inch 20 bolts. The plate drops out, UHMW and the shims drop out. It's kind of a nice little deal. Just as a hint, we no longer weld bolts on. We put angle iron here. There's the motor mount if you want to see how the motor mount goes. And this from the back. I make a spacer that goes right in there, and I'll show you that here in a little bit, but it makes the hub fit flat onto the rim where all the protrusions are. And there's that. Can't really think of anything else to show you. These are the hub spacers that I have that goes between the hub and the rough side of the rim where it mounts backward and fits to the tire rim. there's that lower guide stop, a bunch of those cut.